Bro, we're saying it's bikes galore, right? They're everywhere. Hondas. Oh, look how many bikes are up in here, man. That is nice. That black. It's like satin, isn't it? That's nice though, I like that. This is the one. Jeez. Exciting day. SP.
I seen one of these when I went to Southend Showdown. There was one of these out.
Yeah, this is sick.
V4 as well.
V4, yeah. That's the just the V4, not the S. But not really just because it's still a crazy expensive bike. That is sick. Street Fighter as well. Street Fighter. Do love these. Oh, look at the wings, man. These, I love the wings on all these bikes. Love it. Yeah, yeah. Everyone's going the Jigsaw. Sweet.
Look at the
Repsol Honda. Yeah, I do love the R6. And S1K.
Switch as well.
This, yeah, no wait, bro, this is the ultimate daily. Has to be the ultimate daily.
Yeah, the mode buttons, yeah.
Look at that, man. It's got a race fit on it. Yeah. S1K. Ah, that has to be like one of the best daily bikes. Super sports, anyway. I think they should buy that. You say you're gonna buy it? The camera's on you, bro. Buy it. Look at the colour. That green is sexy. The ZX6R, right?
Yeah.
So that sweet 600cc. These, they sound crazy as well. And yeah, it's got an exhaust on it.
Valve in the exhaust.
Is that recording, yeah?
You ready, yeah?
Yo!
Let's
I
get
do. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with give this to Dean. And this is the gift, so yeah. But yeah, reveal time, people. It's reveal time. Wait, long time for this. No one knows what I got either. Both of them are red, so no one knows what I chose to win. So. Right, let me get Dean.
You guys ready?
Okay, let's rock and roll.
Eight. This is step.
For the mangoes. This should be interesting.
So what's your nerves? What's it saying?
I'm excited, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looking
Wait a long
forward to the
time.
first
It's a big
ride.
achievement. Big achievement. So yeah. Imagine I made this all happen in what, the space of 2 months, right? I think it was 2 months. Yeah, from the CBT to the full license. So yeah, I had to make it legit. Can't ride in Mexico like that.
And you waited a long time, bro. I can't believe how you've had your license for what, a month, and you've
had
not
the
even
full
ridden
one for a
yet.
month, yeah.
And you've still not even ridden yet. Well, I was riding the same day.
I know. And the thing is, because I wanted to do the reveal like this, obviously I waited. I left the bike here for like 2 weeks. So yeah, man. It's gonna be good though. No one knows what it is. Not yet. Could be a S1K, could be a CBR, could be a V4.
It's gonna be something flashy, man. It's gonna be a little.
It's a little bit. Just
It's gonna reveal. Welcome to my reveal for the 125 moped with a Deliveroo jacket as well.
I should have done that. I don't think it is. Look like a delivery rider, right?
Man.
My days.
So, when you gonna get your bike?
Soon, maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see, yeah. I do want 100%. 100%. Everyone knows what I like.
I guess you're gonna be like a cruiser sort of style, innit?
Oh hell no!
No, no.
Superbike.
Superbike, yeah.
Full sexy.
Man, Superbike.
Full
Okay.
sexy.
Okay. Man,
And what about you, man? Yeah, let's flip this around for you.
what for me?
Yeah, what you next gonna get?
What sort of bike? What
are you gonna get?
Come in. This one is a. Hey, don't watch the hair though.
Let's see what Tate's gonna get. Let's go.
Either. Where is it? That black bike that was at the top.
So the Ninja, which I got on camera, which I'll drop in somewhere
either
here.
the Ninja or this.
The Wheelie Monster.
All over.
Wheelie Monster. The wheelies you can pop in this bike.
Literally.
Hell yeah. Get down there proper low on this.
This is a toy machine. One person bike.
It's a big bike, man. Like I said, it's tall, isn't it?
I've got the hat for it as well.
Yeah, of course, man. You're lucky you're tall, man. Well, we're both lucky.
You'll not be looking at this once I'm done with it.
Nah. Well, he's gonna have like shreds, yeah? Some bacon strips.
Man, that is a toy.
Oh my gosh. It's the time. And I got this to put on. This is the main man that took all my money. Dean, main man at Honda. Put me up with a bike. No one knows what it is yet. So basically, these are what gifted me there.
Congratulations. So
Thank you very much.
For you.
Lovely.
Don't know if I can show the brand.
No, yeah, we'll pull it off. I'll let you hold that for a minute. Shall we pull it off? Shall I do the others? No, we'll do. I'll pop this here a minute. Let's do this. You guys ready?
Ready?
Let's do this.
Damn.
Wow. My baby. Oh yeah. Now everyone knows DUCATI V4S. Yeah, the bank buster. And the booklet. 2 keys, full booklets. Can't start it, can I? No. Should I push outside start, yeah? Sweet.
Oh, even got the balloons as well. Man. You went in.
Yeah, we'll get this out for sure. Finally, man. Finally. All good, bro? We're gonna get this outside, man. I'm gonna get it on.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right. Bro, you able to hold that, please? Do you want to take that? Yeah, of course, yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta get a picture of you as well with this as well. One there, what's that little missy? And Dean do the honors and take it out. Yeah, DUCATI, the Italian. Yo. Hello. You know what I do? What's up, Asia?
La fiancée de
Quite right? Taking it over with
Man, that cold start was loud. I was like, yo.
I put it in race mode now as well, so yeah.
Man, me when I took my
that?
baffle out, man. Fuck you know.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, the baffles have to come out. Yeah, we'll do that. Oh, we'll put the timing on. Yeah, we'll time the timing. Sounds nice, right? Yeah, I'm proud anyway, yeah. Big achievement, man, another one, so. But yes.
Anyway, thank you to Dean for making it all happen. Congratulations.
Literally.
It's been a pleasure.
That was quick, right? I rode it, what? One day I came rode it. Took it after,
20 minutes.
It's been 20 minutes, I said, yeah, I'll take it.
Right, we'll cover here quick.
Yeah?
Anything to say to the viewers?
Viewers, say to the viewers. Work hard, chase your dreams, don't give up, stay motivated all the time, and anything's possible, but just put your mind to it. So yeah, I mean, I didn't think I'd get this, but I was just like, regardless, I'm gonna get it. So yeah, made it happen. Just work hard, chase your dreams. Yeah.
Cool.